minus 1. Oh, this one should be minus, huh? My mistake. When I move, I make it wrongly. So we calculate again. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So should be 4. 4 times 0.2, so it should be 0.8. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, so now we have done this one. Okay, next one, I want to find the K2F. I'm going to find the K2F. K2F, okay, you look back to the formula. This one will be your K2F. Xn plus h over 2, yn plus, but what we need, our K2F, what we need, our K2F should be only consider K2F and then your Z. Okay, because your K2F is considering on the F, so it's Z1. But Z1 you have to plus what? This one. Okay, it's just like this one is the same. So now you will have FG and then H. So you will have FG and then H, FG and then H. So the F is depend on your Z. So how to say? Okay, this one we look back. We have X, we have Y prime, we have X, we have Y, we have Y prime, we have Y prime prime, we have Y prime prime. So that means now I have X, I have Y prime, which is Z. Okay, Z1, I have Z prime prime, Z2, and Z prime prime, Y prime prime, so Z2 prime. So I have this 5. Okay, this 5. So now what you're considering, okay, you are considering on Z1 because we need the Z1. So Z1 is something plus your K1F over 2. Z1. You see, Yn is depend on K1F. Zn is depend on K1G. That means differentiate 1 times. So Z1 should be differentiate 1 times based on G. So that means based on this one, K1G. So that means your Z1 should be, okay, your K1G divided by 2. So it should be, okay, Z1 plus, okay, your K1G divided by 2. Because you have to get the differentiate after differentiate. This one is represent the Z1 prime. Z1, this one is represent the Z2. Z2 is something Z1 differentiate. Okay, this one is represent the Z2 prime. So that means it should be 0.2. What is your Z1 again? Your Z1 is 2 plus your Z2 divided by 2, so negative 0.2 divided by 2. So it's 0.2 times 1.9, so it's 0.38. Okay, and then K2G. K2G will be 0.2. Okay, your Z2, because it's always following the formula of G here, but you have to plus your K1H divided by 2. So it will be Z2 just now is -1. So 0.2 times -1 plus your K1H is 0.8. Okay, 0.8. So it's 0.8 divided by 2, so it's 0.4. So 0.4, that means you have -0.6 times 0.2, that means 0.12 negative. You check whether correct or not. K2F correct. K2G also correct. And then now I want to get the K1H, K2H. K2H will be 0.2, okay, with this whole formula. But your X have to change, okay, your X have to plus your X have to plus your H divided by 2, and then your Y naught K1F divided by, sorry, this one. Okay, your X naught plus H, okay, your Y naught should be H divided by 2, am I correct? Yeah, okay. X naught plus H divided by 2 because according to this formula, according to the formula here, okay, you want to find the K3G, your Xn have to, sorry, your K2G, Xn have to plus the H over 2. Your Yn have to K1F over 2. And then that means what you have now, it will be a function of this function, which is H function. And then your Xn is 1, so 1 plus H divided by 2, so 1.1. And then what is your Y? Your Y will be 1, okay? But 1 you have to plus K1F divided by 2, so 0.4 divided by 2, so 1.2. Okay, and then next one is your Z1. Okay, your Z1, just now your Z1 is what? Your Z1 is 2. 2 plus your K1F divided by 2. Okay, so 0.2. So 2.2. Wait. Okay, and then next one is your Z2. Your Z2 is -1. So -1 plus your 0.8 divided by 2, 0.4. So -0.6. And then the lastly is your K2G. That means your okay, so that means will be your last one. Okay, your K2G. Okay, sorry. Okay, so your last one. Okay, so your last number will be the Z2 prime. But Z2 prime, you need to consider on what you have here. That means what you have here. So what we see here, okay, your last number, okay, what you need to consider K2P will be this one. Okay, Z2 naught plus K1P divided by 2. Okay, so what is your Z2 naught? Z2 naught, that's how it's -1, is it? Plus, where I stop, only 5, only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, sorry, that's all. So we close. So that means okay, so we use all this number, okay? This one is X, this one is Y, this one is Z1, this one is Z2. So we use all this number, plug into the formula X, Z2, Z1, and your Y. So you will get the new K2H. So by the similar way, find the K3F, K3H, K3F, K3G, and then K3F, K3G, K3H. Then you will get the new answer. Okay, so that means you will get a K3, K3F, K3G, K3H. Then you will get the. But if you only because now you only need to find the y 1.2. So you no need to find the kg, k3g, k3h. What you need is only k3h. Okay, because you only need to find this one. Okay. Now, you try to do the tutorial part. Later, I try to explain by using the solution again. Okay, so now I have these three equations. So let's say this is F, this is G, this is P again. Okay, so I have these three equations. So now I need to, I have these three equations and I have, this one is x2 equal to 1. This is z. Sorry, why I can't see? I had to learn plus x. I forgot plus x. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay, I have z1 equal to z2 equal to 1. Thank you. Thanks for remind. Okay, x2 equal to 1, and then z12, sorry, z12 is -1, and then z22 is 3. Okay, so now let's see. I have these three. So now I try to get the K1F first. But when you're trying to find the K1F, what you are using based on the formula? Sorry, let me get the formula. Okay, it will be H. It will be H, Fx naught, Y naught, Z1 naught, Z2 naught. H, my H here is 0.1. 0.1 F. F for what? X naught, Y naught. Okay, F naught, Y naught, Z1 naught, Z2 naught. So in other words, okay, what is the function? Should be 0.1 times the x prime. Okay, what is your x prime? Z1. So it should be 0.1 times your Z1 naught. So it's 0.1 Z1 naught. What is your Z1 naught? Negative 1. So you will get negative 0.1. Okay, and then K2F also. Sorry, K1G. Okay, it will be 0.1. Okay, we refer back to the formula again. Again, it's the same thing lah. Okay, that means this one doesn't change. G. Okay, and then this one again. So it will be 0.1. But what I know, G is what? G is Z2. G is Z2. That means it will be Z2 naught. It will be 3. So G 3. So this one, what will be this one? 0.3. Okay, and then alamat. And then next one is K1P. Okay, what will be my K1P? K1P will be 0.1 P of this function again. Oh, so sorry, I forget something. I forget the T naught. This one should have T naught in front. This one should have T naught in front. This one also should have T naught in front. Okay, my mistake. So it will be this formula again. So it should be 0.1. But now it's the P function. But again, of course, we don't have TZ anymore. We have to change lah. Okay, so what is our T naught? Our T naught is 2. So this one will become 2. Okay, and then what is your Z2? So Z2 naught is 3. So this one I have to change to 3. Okay, T again is what? 2. So you change this one into 2. And then your Z1 is negative 1. And then your X is what? Your X is 1. So 1. So we try to calculate what is this, and then I will get the P1P. Okay, sorry, K1P. So I calculate, I direct use the answer. Okay, negative 2. If not the same as yours, please let me know. Okay, negative 2. So after I have this one, now I need to calculate for K2F. So K2F will be 0.1 times your F of, now it's not more this function, okay? But the function, the formula of the function, you need to find out is what function first. So it's 0. Your H times the F of X naught plus your H divided by 2. So that means your T naught lah. T naught plus your H here is 0.1, so T naught plus 0.05. and then x naught. X naught is what? X naught, you have to plus your K1F divided by 2. So your K1F divided by 2, so this one divided by 2. So minus of 0.05. Sorry, I got the phone call. Hello. Yes. OK. 可以。刚刚你讲是哪一场？有对我就只有这个 version 因为我不是最早教的这个，所以我并没有它的 formula list 的原本，我也是拿last year 的，然后拉下来的。这样子，我问看一下Mr. T 他那边有没有这个 formula list。OK， 可以，我问看他有没有先啊，我尽量。OK， 这样我现在问看他，我先问看他。OK，thank you， 拜。Sorry, 1 minute. Hello, Mr. G。我想问你哦，你有没有 AAMS 1193的 formula list 啊？对，因为我一向来都是用一个 branch send 给我的，然后他现在讲很萌，因为它不是原装的那个 Microsoft Word 来的，它好像是 in PDF 这样子的东西啦，所以它不是所以它就变成萌掉。你有没有它的 formula list 啊？或是找到之前是谁create 这个 questions 吗？没有 formula list， 到我手上就。OK， 好了吗？这样我上一个是谁，你知道吗？branch 那边我有问过一个 branch 人，我忘记是什么名了啦。不过他只有给我一个就是他们会有吗？可是这几次都是我出的哦，这几次是 receipt 啦，这几次都是我出的啦，都是 receipt。好像现在没有 offer 这版了是吧？receipt 而已啦。OK， 这样子就惨了。这样子我之前是谁教你 idea 吗？对哦，他会有口鼻吗？你觉得？阿拉玛，他现在还有做的是吗？他还有做的是吗？我看一下，然后因为他今天要，然后我现在还在上这课。我印象中是不多啦，可是我多一下子我看一下啦。thank you。Sorry, I continue. So Z1, okay, Z1 will be plus the K1G divided by 2. So this one will also Z1 plus K1G divided by 2. So it's this one divided by 2, so 0.065. And then the Z2 as well, don't forget. So Z2 will be plus your K1T divided by 2. So we plus this one, so -1. Okay, and then close it. So we will use this O, okay, we will use this O in order to get the K1F, K2F, K2G, K2P. So it will be 0.1. F is just taking the Z1. Okay, so we're just taking this one. So now what is the Z1 again? Z1 just now is Z1 is -1. So -1 plus 0.065. So I will have negative 0.935. And hence I get this answer, okay, which is negative 0.0935. Okay, so it will be, sorry, alamak, why different? Let me see. Okay, why different? Oh, sorry, this one is 0.3. Yeah, my mistake. Sorry, my fault. This one should be 0.3 divided by 5 is 0 divided by 2 should be 0.13. 0.15, my mistake. So it should be -1 plus 0.15, so 0.85, negative 0.85. My mistake, so sorry. So at last I will get negative 0.085. So this one is for my K2X. Okay, and then by using the same variable here, okay, we're trying to get the 0.1G and 0.1P. So at last I will guess this one and this one. Okay, and by the similar way, get the K3X, K3G, and then K3F. And you will have this three. Okay, have a look. Do you need I send this one to you? Do you need I send the solution for whole tutorial 7 to you? Yes, okay, I send it now. Sorry for today's class, I will just stop here. For the rest of the chapter, I will do it next week. And I think we need a replacement class. None of you stay outside, is it? Or I mean what I mean outside is outside of KO area. Or any one of you stay outside? Because I wish to have like after the week 13, before the week 14, maybe we can do a replacement. It is tutorial 7. Next week I should able to finish this chapter, and I will need the replacement in order to finish chapter 5. Is it okay, or you prefer to have the replacement online? Can so you prefer to have replacement face to face? Just now I sent already the. Alamak, I sent you the answer on tutorial. Yeah, should be tutorial 7. Okay. You can have a look lah. But the tutorial, because I based on the old version, so that one will be the old version answer. And again, just now the question 2-1 a bit wrong there. Okay, but I think your friends had sent the new answer, the correct answer into the group. So I repeat again. So next week I will proceed to the rest of this chapter, and then if I have time, maybe I will go into the chapter 4, and the replacement I will do the chapter 4, finish the chapter 4. Okay. So maybe if the replacement have enough time, I also will enter the chapter 5. Chapter 4 is probability distribution. None of it using the numerical solution, so will be quite fast. Will be fast lah. Not like numerical solution need a lot of time in order to calculate. Chapter 6. Okay, where are we now? We are in the chapter 4. Okay, next week I will finish the chapter 4, and then the replacement class I will finish the chapter 5. Okay, and then the last week we will do the chapter 6. If you need revision on the past year paper, we will do it on your study week. If you need it lah, okay, but it will be online lah. Is it okay? Yes, chapter 6 will be on week 14. Chapter 6 not long. Chapter 6 just a very simple one, no worry. Can or not? Okay. So any question for me before I end the class today first? Any questions so far? So far, no. Okay lah. So if no questions, then again, please be reminded please do your assignment. I think not so much lah. Okay, but make sure no free rider, and you can submit it by next Tuesday. Okay. Yes. And so sorry for late because this few days the UITM one very busy day. Okay, so sorry for late lah, but you are allowed submit it by next Tuesday. Okay, because of my mistake. Okay, thank you. So if nothing else, see you next week. Thank you, class. Thank you. Thank you.